P11 Nuclear power. A generator changes or transfers movement, kinetic energy, into electrical energy. Generators can be small, like the one on the bicycle shown below, or large, like the type that are found in power stations. Inside a generator, there is either a magnet that spins inside a coil of wire, or a coil of wire that spins inside a magnet. If the magnet or coil of wire spins faster, then more electrical energy is generated. More electrical energy can also be generated by using more turns of wire on the coil or by using a more powerful magnet. In the UK, most electricity is generated in power stations that burn fossil fuels, coal, oil and gas. These power stations burn the fuels to heat water to make high pressure steam that turns turbines that turn generators. There are, however, problems with burning fossil fuels. Firstly, fossil fuels are non-renewable. This means that they will run out. Secondly, burning them makes a lot of carbon dioxide, and the increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is leading to global warming. The basic workings of a nuclear power station are similar in some ways to fossil fuel-fired power stations. Water is still heated to make high-pressure steam that turns turbines that turn the generators. The big difference is that the fuel is uranium. Uranium is a metal element. Sometimes elements come in slightly different forms because of the way in which the nuclei of the atoms are made up. The uranium that is used in a nuclear power station is called uranium-235. It does not need to be burned in order for it to release energy, so no carbon dioxide is produced. Heat energy is given out because uranium-235 atoms can be made to break apart. When this happens, new atoms of different elements are formed and heat energy and radiation is given out. This process is called nuclear fission. The fission reactions that happen in a nuclear power station are chain reactions. One fission event leads to others, which lead to more and more and more. In a nuclear power station, the fission chain reaction is controlled so that it doesn't get out of hand. At the moment, there are 16 nuclear power stations in the UK. Some people do not like the idea of more being built. There are a number of reasons for this. If a nuclear power station goes wrong, it is possible for the fission chain reaction to get out of hand, meltdown. If this happens, harmful radiation can be released. This radiation is harmful to living things. It can cause cancer. A meltdown happened at the nuclear power station in Russia in 1986, Chernobyl, and in America in 1979, 3 Mile Island. Nuclear power stations make harmful radioactive waste material. Some of this needs to be stored safely for thousands of years until it is safe. When nuclear fuel and radioactive waste is transported, there is always the possibility that an accident could happen. Some people do want more nuclear power stations. There are some good reasons for this point of view. Nuclear power stations generate large amounts of energy without producing carbon dioxide. They are therefore good at helping solve the problem of global warming. Uranium can be considered to be a non-renewable energy source. Although it will run out at some time in the future, however, it will last far, far longer than the fossil fuels.